Good day. We're here to figure out how to use the saved audio feature on Instagram Reels. Simply follow these steps to have an awesome reel using an easy saved audio feature on Instagram like a pro. First, go to your Instagram homepage. Second, tap the Reel button. Then, navigate to the reel with the audio you wish to use. Tap the audio link on the lower left corner just above the home button and the search button. It will be prompted to a page where you'll see all the videos using the same audio. Usually, it is the save audio button, but this time, it is use audio button. Press the use audio button. Then, you'll be sent to where you can create your reel in real time or use a video or photo saved in your device. In my use case, I'll use this item. Then, you'll see the audio from an Instagram reel is applied to your creation, ready to be published. There you go. Now you have an awesome Instagram reel. If this tip has helped you so well, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell button. I'll see you on the next video.